County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, northeastern Greene County, southeastern Clark County, Madison County, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Choctaw Lake, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, South Charleston, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Lisbon, Urban Crest, Brighton, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Lafayette, South Sienna, Midway, Harrisburg, and Oregon. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 66 and 100. I-71 in Ohio between mile marker 79 and 107, and near mile marker 109.
Okay, again.
Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Muggy. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southwestern Licking County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jefferson, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reddington, Grove City, Gahanna, Tidlington, Bexley, Pawtascalaw, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Whitehall, Edna, Quebec, Lighthopper, Carroll, Walkmore, Bryce, Fort Columbus Airport, and Blackfoot Lake. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 99 and 121. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 97 and 112.
I think the headers are too quiet.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskegon and Perry. A severe thunderstorm watch.
Whoa.
The conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Perry County, northwestern Morgan County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glenville to near Winchester, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Barry State Forest, Crooksville, Thornville, Junction City, and Glenford. Now here is the official National Weather Service report. issuing a tornado warning for southwestern Licking County until 1:30 p.m. At 1:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pawhuska, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Keep, Granville, Pawhuska, Keeper, Granville South, Beachwood Trail, Edna, and Kirkersville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 117 and 120. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a city building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media, where you can do so safely. Now, here's the